Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your files by date or name on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, we're gonna organize files by name. So normally open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in your dock. And now navigate to the folder containing the files you want to organize. So I'm choosing this Flutter folder. And after then, click on this View button and then select As List. Now, click on the Name column header to sort files alphabetically. Clicking it once sorts from A to Z, and clicking it again sorts from Z to A. That's pretty simple, right? Now we are gonna organize our files by date. Ensure you are in list view as described above. Now click on the Date Modified column header to sort files by the date they were last modified. If you don't see the Date Modified column, normally you can press Command+J to open the View Options panel. And from here, click the checkbox next to Date Modified. You can also choose to sort by Date Created, Date Last Opened, Date Added as well. This group will group your files based on their modification date, making it easier to locate recent files. So if I click on this Date Created, they will be organized according to the date when they have created. Similarly, these options are same according to their names. And that's it. Now you successfully know how to organize your files by date or name on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.